Hi friends, my name is Akbar Bhasa. I am from Narayana Tech House. Now I explain about how to reverse the given string. Now I take the string web development. Now I want to reverse the given string using reverse function. For example, dot reverse of given string. I want to reverse the given string using the reversed function, and also dot join of. Now I want to print the given statement in the reverse format. I want to print off. In this case, I want to use the reversed function to reverse the given string. Then after reverse the given string, I want to join all the characters using the join function. Then I want to display the given reversed string using the print statement. The output will be comes in like T N E M E P O L O V E D B E W. In this way, I want to reverse the given string. Now another way is using slicing. I want to take the given string into -1 :-1. I want to reverse the given string using the slicing. This -1 represents the start number. This -1 represents the step size. I want to reverse the given string using step size -1. -1 means I want to increase the step size in the negative direction. I want to print this statement. Output will come in like that. For example, T N E M E P O L O V E D B E W, like that. Okay, sir. Another way I also used to reverse the given string using for loop. I want to take using the for loop for I in st. Initially I declare the one variable, one string st1, that is empty. For st1 is equal to, I have to take I plus st1. Initially string 1 is empty string. I want to first time I value, first letter, first character w. It is added to the string 1. Initially string 1 is empty. I want to add w. Next time I value e. It is added to the string 1. Second time this is string 1 having w e w. Next time I value next to character b. In that way have to add. Finally I want to print. The output will come in like that. T N E M E P O L O V E D B E W, like that. First time I value first character. Second time I have to add that value to the initially string 1 is empty. Then I value second character. I will add to this second character to this string. Next time I value next character. In that way I have to add all the characters in this string. Finally I want to print the string. The output come in reverse format.